Mintigo is offering a customer acquisition solution that pinpoints the most valuable and the most receptive prospects in the market for a given product. Our solution starts with analyzing your best existing customers, creating what we call the customer code of the business. We then take this code and through massive web crawling and data mining engines, identify similar prospects that adhere to the same profile of your best existing customers. We work in B2B industries where the discovery of new prospects is a big challenge. Segments such as tech vendors, telecom companies, and insurance. And we're expanding rapidly into new markets as virtually every business needs good prospects, and Mintigo is a new and innovative way to get to those prospects effectively.